Time for another Codewars challenge. This one is how old will I be in 2099? I will be dead. Womp womp. We're doing it in JavaScript. There's a link to the challenge in the show notes right below the video. Give it a shot before you watch the video. You've always got this to fall back on if you get stuck, okay? All right, so Philip's just turned 4 and wants to know how old he will be in the various years, such as 2090 to 3040. 3044. His parents can't keep up calculating, so they just begged him to help out writing the program. Man, for such a simple function, there's so many instructions here. Okay. So let's see. If you take calculate age, it looks like it's going to take two functions, your birth and then the current year. It looks like you simply just subtract these two. So 2016 minus 1989, you are 27 years old. It looks like there's some edge cases here. So if you are if the years are the same, you were born this very year. So I think we're just going to follow these steps here and kind of recreate what we're seeing here. Okay. I think what they're trying to do is, there's phrases here like years, year, all that stuff. So we've got a bit of code to write here. So let's, so we'll do birth year, and then we'll do current year. All right. So a couple edge cases here. So if birth year is the same as current year, okay, then we will return this string. You were born this very year. Okay, so we'll return that. Let's see. If the current year is larger than the birth year, we have a few edge cases there. So either it's 1 year or more than 1 year. So let's do this. If birth year, let's see, current year minus birth year is equal to 1, then let's do you are 1 year old. We'll return that one. Okay, if current year minus birth year. Let's just do, we're going to do a difference here. So let's do a const diff is equal to current year minus birth year. We're going to be using this variable a lot. So over here, we'll say if the diff is 1, if the diff is greater than 1, then we will return you are, and this is going to be an interpolated string. So I need to do, instead of single quotes, I need to do backticks here. So we'll do you are blank years old. And right here we'll inject the difference. Okay, so you are diff years old. Let's see. The next step is in the past. So you will be born in blank years. Okay. And I think that gets rid of the edge case. So let's do this. I think this is the last one we have to do. No, not true. We can do if the diff is -1, then we'll do you will be born in 1 year. Right? 1 year is singular, but if you have multiple years, then you have to do plural there. So the last one we have is we will return. So right here, instead of the 20 years, we need to do diff. But diff at this point is negative, right? So we need to just multiply it times -1, and then that will make it a positive number. So that might, let's see if this gets all our edge cases. All right, looking good. Let's do an attempt here. All right, looking good. Great job, y'all.